going to talk about our first sponsor, Advanced Fuel Dynamics, and basically how to set it up.
Yeah, this is their full flex fuel kit. It allows you to run either E85 or regular pump gas. This kit, we were going to give you a full install on how to put this kit in, but it's literally so easy they don't send you directions. Like, Kinley's going to show you exactly what you have to do. We just kind of got it thrown on top real quick just to go out and test it.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so basically, you unplug this doohickey.
Your injector.
There's a little clip right there.
Yeah, there's a little metal guy you got to push in there, kind of a pain.
And then you take their fancy...
You take their injector jumper.
And then...
your clip goes the other way. There you go.
Plug it in.
And it plugs in, and then you plug your injector wire straight into their harness. So pretty much all it does is piggyback off yours. Okay, now the important part here, guys, is this right here is actually a circuit board and a chip. Do not put zip ties on that and keep that well. They say don't zip tie within 3 inches. So I think what we're gonna do, we're not gonna leave it like this. This is crap. We're going to, cut our zip ties, put them all, tuck them down here in the rail, somewhere like that is what we're thinking. But the biggest thing is don't bend this right here where the heat shrink's at, or you will break the system, and they do charge you to fix that. Anyways, this kit, I mean, you put it on there, it's just ridiculously easy.
And then ground wire.
Yeah.
Make sure it's all the way that way, somewhere away from your battery.
Yeah, they said you want your ground wire as far as you can from the battery. I just called them because there was no directions. And it may have just been because they're our sponsor too, and we do cars, I don't know. But you really don't need them. All you do is just jump the injector and plug it into their brain box, which we got right over there. It's right down there. The only reason we got ours kind of flopping there, like I said, we just threw it in here to begin with to make sure it all works right. And when we do tuning, the best part is you don't, now make sure if you're doing tuning and you're doing it for gas, make sure you don't have any E85 in there. But all you have to do is just unplug their brain box. That's it. The system's disconnected. It'll work the same as normal. Anything else you got? I mean, it's just really easy to do. The best part we'll show you here in a bit is when we're going to go out and drive it, because on ours, we just got a mild cam. It's got headers. It's got some mods. But I think we probably picked up around 50 horse. Pretty easily picked up 50 horse. And the way we got it tuned, we get about the same mileage too. So it works out pretty good. All right, guys, we'll get back to you on that one here in a second.
Oh, there.
Oh, you're clear. I mean, you don't have to worry about it because it's a closed road.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, let's go ahead and get on her a little bit again. Let's see. Oh, damn. You're good. Slow her down. It gets up there a lot faster now.
Yeah.
But you're not even really on it all the way. I can tell.
Yeah.
Well, guys, there you go. Easy way to get you about 50 horse in a vet.
Yeah.
About the cheapest way, too, I think.